Hello everyone, Paul Huber here for Nissan of Cool Springs. Thanks so much for dropping in. I would like to welcome all of our passenger van shoppers today. We certainly hope our video is helpful in the search for your next van. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2017 Nissan passenger van, 3500 SL Edition. This great passenger van is in excellent condition and it's a local trade with the Clean Carfax. As we look inside, we see a leather interior with heated front bucket seats and room for 12 passengers total. As you can see, the interior is very clean and free of any rips or tears in any of the seats. As we turn our attention up front, we see that this van has a lot to offer in the way of electronics and convenience and safety items as well. Those features include a very nice audio system with SiriusXM Radio plus Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Other features include GPS navigation, plus it has backup camera, not to mention steering wheel mounted audio controls and more. All you need to do now is give us a call and set up a time for your test drive. The number is 615-224-8314. We'll see you here at Nissan of Cool Springs, home of the lifetime warranty. Nissan of Cool Springs is proud to announce an easier way to get financing for your next vehicle purchase. Just text the word COOL to 96300 and get pre-approved today.